Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to learn a new method from dictionary, that is update method. Now update method is used to update key value pairs within a dictionary. Now these key value pairs are updated from another dictionary or iterable like tuple having key value pairs. Yeah, so you can use tuple to update the key value pairs into a dictionary if the tuple itself are in the form of key and value. Now, if the key value pair is already present in a dictionary, then the existing key is changed with the new value. So if you already have that key, then the value would be changed. On the other hand, if the key value pair is not present in the dictionary, then this particular method insert this in the original dictionary. Yeah. Let's see the syntax. Let's try to understand the syntax first, and then we'll run into quick example. So the syntax is the dictionary dot update and the iterable or pair you want to update. Yeah. So this iterable or pair, this is the dictionary that is to be added within the dictionary. Yeah. So this is the new item that has to be added within the dictionary. So let's run into a quick example of using update method. Let's basic example using update method. So we'll use our existing dictionary. Let's this is my original dictionary. Yeah, let me, and this one is updated. So what I'm currently doing is, yeah. So what I'm doing is I have this dictionary and I'm using my dict.update with a new item to be added in this particular dictionary. As you can see, D is not available and 4 is the value for D. So let's see if it updates this in the dictionary. Yeah. So you can see it is automatically added at the end of the dictionary. Let's understand what happens if a list of tuples is passed into the argument using the update method. So suppose if I try to pass on, as I said, I can pass on list with pairs. Yeah. So list of tuples is passed. So what I'm trying to do is I have my original dictionary, which is ABC, which is 1, 2, 3, and passing a list of tuples. So I have this pairs D4, E5, and these are tuples since they are enclosed within parentheses. And it is a list of tuples, as I'm saying, because you can see these tuples are enclosed within square brackets, which are list. What I'm trying to do is I'm using dict.update to update all these tuples into this dictionary using the update method. So let's see what is the output. Here you can see it is or it has automatically updated the dictionary with these tuples and formatted them in the form of key and value pairs. Yeah. So this is how you can update the method. Now, what happens if the existing key, if existing key is updated, then it only updates the value. Yeah. So it will not replace. Let's see. So what I'm trying to do here is I have this existing dictionary. Now what I'm using is I'm using dict.update to update a new value. But my coincidence is B already exists in my original dictionary. So in this case, what happens is it will not update the key. It will only update the value which is linked or corresponding to B. So it will replace the 2 with 4. So let's see what happens. Let's run this code quickly. Here we can see my original dictionary was this one, where B for the value for the key B, the value was 2. But after update, the key remains the same. However, the value has been changed to 4. Yeah. So this is what happens when you try to update an existing key with a new value. Yeah. Let's see another example where the key value pair is specified as keywords. Yeah. So what happens if the key value pair is specified as key arguments? So what I'm trying to do is I have this dictionary A that is having the value as 1, B as 2, and C as 3. Yeah. I'm assigning D equals to 4. Yeah. So I'm assigning an D that is equals to 4 and E equals to 5. Yeah. Let's see what happens. This new items are getting added. That is D equals to 4 and D E equals to 5. That's pretty simple. But what will happen? Yeah. If I try to do it for the value which is already present, so I'll say B equals to 4 this time. Let's see what is the output. Yeah. So the B value change E is automatically added. Yeah. D is not available. So E is automatically added since it was not available in my original dictionary. And for B, since it was already available, it has only changed the value. Unlike where in my previous example, where it was both the elements, both the keys were not present in this original dictionary, hence it has added it at the end of the dictionary. Hope you understood the concept. And you use it for your data analysis or any kind of manipulations or operations that you like to do in your Python code. Hope you like this video and the examples as well. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any inputs on the examples that I've shown, the explanation that I have given. This way we'll share knowledge with our colleagues. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. See you soon with the next method. Thank you so much.